Good afternoon, country people. Them we glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Tori House. Chapter 2 for Tori for this side. Strong number for this afternoon. Sabi say rain wey e fall for Douala today. It don't cause plenty confusion. This afternoon we go enter for all the small corner the way for enter. As we rain e fall for Douala. Now so too we go tell una palava thief people them, gendarme people them for that side for Beseke again. They don't put hand for some 40 people them with their own. Now for thief machine where they pump fuel for inside some fuel station. They show we for population yesterday. We go talk that palava for thief people them. Then we go tell una too as we barrister Agbobala Felix. He says he don't win prize for Nelson Mandela. Na palava for the better work where he don't do am. But to aside as we festival for arts and culture, it happen population for Betua since for some time. It don't block roads. It vex for 1 moon. They never get light. Now for Sika that one way they come up for outside, they make mash since for morning time. All the Tori then so plus other one we go bring am for now this afternoon for this side so for Equinox Tori House we na for Douala side we the talk so. Big part talk it dey tell we say wetin say if you see person wey do wetin e she done on top his shit. Sabi say Congo Simon e dey pass. If you see person wey e she done on top the sheet, sabi say Congo side person e dey pass for corner. Na Sango Tikumusu Kasa Achale for Holy Hills Synod Office, land for legendary hospitality Boya. Na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We dey glad for meet up una for this side so for Equinox Tori House this afternoon. When I sabi say rain e fall for Douala today, and for Sika that rain plenty things then don't happen. Make we take una go from Mabanda, na road where they just come up for fix am. But when you see the road now, you go feel say all thing e dey kampe. But as well rain e throw away for ground, na so to population e here hot. I say as well water e turn up. Na better road where they don't fix am. But even as well they don't fix the road, deep place where water turn up so water the place it go for down. I mean say wetin they get for put that place for up. Now only when they put that place for up, where when water the pass, it go fit for pass fine. But now population the vex for Sika say water it don't turn up. And even as well rain no the fall, when water for river will go for up, now so to the people then say they dey hear bad. So just now they dey talk for people that they fix that their place, fix the roads way better so make they can check as well they get for fix the road back. For Sika say people they don't di nyati na for corner. I say na for nyati for corner where they di nyati before they pass. For Sika say the place where they don't fix it dey na for ground. It means say when water dey pass, water no dey fit for pass. People they di nyati for corner, as well we go see am. That small boy pikin say if you wan go pass for corner, but lucky say e blood e see dey young. Yes, if e blood no for dey young, we for catch that boy wey don fall. Now see am, hey, wake up. You dey see am? See as say that boy small so. I say small so that young boy e for fall. I say the boy for fall. No be na for Sika say e no sabi for waka. But na for Sika say wetin? Water don flow for all side. All side e dey kene for that side. So na style for put food dem for up. Okada dey enter swim. If your food dey fine, you wet am. If your food no dey fine. So na people dem that for Mabanda better road they don't give am for them. But the roads na big waiting, big problem. I say better roads, but na big problem for that side so calling people them as well water e dey turn up. Chief Robert Mukube e be talk with some people them for that side. First, make we hear this sister from Mabanda side. E talk for Chief Robert Mukube a microphone.
So they fix the road. When mare come, as una dey see am so, water dey hang for here, water no dey go. When rain fall, it is worse na worse. All this house stand up so small water no dey, water dey flood all side. People they don't fit pass. That company wey fix am so e name na Sema. They no, the road no go stay because nana so e go spoil. When water dey overtouch road so nana so e go spoil. See as people dey fall for back. You see no fit pass. When September go start for here, pikin no fit go school. As you see, so school down from my back. When September go start, they didn't know if you enter for school. You go need to make a they carry them enter for school before they enter. So the call government say, they can't look. I made a look at company. Me can't look. Me work fast. Since they fix it.
Yes, now someone sister that for that side, so for Mabanda with Chief Robert Mukube be talk with you. Chief Robert Mukube, it be put in microphone too for before mob for some part too inside that quarter. Make we hear what you get for talk.
Well, when I first see the environment would they live for environment where every pikin to die for inside this place. Like the city place, so we don't lock, if we don't lock out, you don't hear say people don't die. We don't know about that. God don't put them, say man no die. And the place where they would see them, that means that the people they walk the road, just being a useless people them. The people that they dupe instead for walk, they dupe now the people they for quarter. Because minister said don't can do the road. The road they know I do know nothing. Tomorrow they will have only big factory for millions. Meanwhile the millions don't think I'm put on for that pocket, go find that place, she don't wait up. So we just live now a totally mess government where they know the nothing what they do. Because when man sign book, you know they come for workplace, can't see if the people work, we don't send people for there, they don't do the real work. And say you should down for office, they bring book, we sign them, send and say yes, take and send them for ministry. Minister they take and talk, say yes, they don't do the work. If the minister befit they employ yourself for can't see them, it goes to say all they want a mess where would they live inside. But even they play, they will hire them, make good gutters so that people will pass. Man when they walk out phone, no will pass. If man will walk out phone, no will pass the road. Then how motor will do? Accident come up for you for inside from any motor, people could go down inside water. You will hear say people don't die.
So for that, better roads, they no make them fine, and for sick other one, now the population says they hear bad. Now make we take on for that side, so for Antrea Bibel, so for inside Douala, for Sika this rainway, the for Douala side them, now so Palava, for people them, they get for Waka, for inside water, so can people them, yes, for that side, so for Antrebi, we say we get for enter for that side, for talk this other Palava, now so Sika Palava for rain, where we sabi say, as we rain don't start for so, now so people then say, they hear bad, they enter for inside water, rain says, you know, they let the people them, Okada too, they always swim now for inside water, so before he enter for inside quarter. And now for Sika say waiting, for one side, Guataho, you know them, where water if for feed the pass, so for Sika that one, rain, it must to enter for roads, make people that say, they walk now for inside water rain, before they come up for outside quarter, or them for enter for inside quarter. And even that young boy one at the sea and so he says he don't fall for inside water with the Okada, so he get for wake up. So now so palava for Douala, where the talk say we want for welcome stranger them for Douala just now, say man damba for 2019. All this kind of thing them, I believe say no na one way they want and say make stranger them, they care for calcium. Sabi say man damba, it go happen for Cameroon na this same kind time, June and July. You know then for January and February, where we go talk say they no go meet up water rain for some sites. But if country it get for look out all the one, now I mean say serious work it get for happen. No be now only for Chakara people their house or for Chakara people them for market. Now for them too for members say plenty place the day where water it no the pass. And if water no the pass, the only thing na Guataho, yes, na Guataho way it is so they get for put and so that all the water if you the pass for your own side for inside this arrangement. We go left that one, we go also remain for chapter for drain where it for today. We take una go for that side for village. First na Doti, after water way turn up, the water way turn up, it don't make and to say waiting. Make road to where it no dey for enter for quarter. Now for quarter where they call them say Iyabong 3. Now for village side, when I don't see them, the water don't cover all place. Now only the small rainway for today. If the rain decides to make it start for how many days? For 1 week, 1, 2, 3 weeks. It means that people that go here bad. When I see water, now only the small rainway for today where people that don't even get place or pass for Iyabong 3. Now for village, water don't turn up like small Pikin River Wuri. All man the pass, it take na style. I say all man the pass, it take na style. Na nyati. Then people then say where they sell for year. How they do sell? We dey see plenty store the way they dey. How they do sell for this side? See dirty there for your own side. See how people they sell. You dey see them? They dey say na for on top water. When I see am, they dey say na on top water. See how they dey make plantain and plum. You dey see am? Water dey for the whole place, then for their bag na dirty. See bread. You carry bread, water wet, and they go give am for people them for sell. So people them for that place on Yabon 3, they say they dey suffer. They say the place so Guataho be get for pass, but for outside, Guataho no the pass. Make we remain for that place. We talk this dirty. We know this also understand. So now, why we dirty is also there. And as we rain the fall now, if people the way they look out dirty, they no can look out the dirty there. It means say plenty people for Douala, they go hear bad. Yes, plenty people for inside Douala, they go hear bad. For seekers na the dirty say if the block road say me water, it no pass. And if water no the pass, na it mean say dirty go enter for inside people their house. Make we see this chapter for dirty for that side for Iyabong 3 calling people them. We talk with way in the past for inside this chapter 2 for dirty. We it did for that side so for Iyabong at 3 we try for talk na talk say plenty of them. They talk say na surely for Sikadi Palaba for dirty. We it did for that side na make and two way water. You know the fee for finding road for waka plenty dirty. It don't remain plenty dirty. It don't remain for that side. But Sabi say inside this Palaba so calling people them dirty says it don't been a big problem. Now the last one we put on for inside for them the manadim last way be enter for days. Sabi say this Palaba for dirty. I saw the talk now way they so it bring plenty confusion then too for that side. So we would talk same Iyabong 3 inside the village side. We'll surely turn back for that chapter for dirty where it cause this confusion. Maybe when we turn back for him tomorrow we go turn back for that chapter for dirty for tell us say dirty says it don't be na one of the main thing where the make water you know the fit for waka so for that side so for Iyabong 3. We go left chapter for water way it be full up for inside Douala today for Sikaren way form. We enter for chapter now so for thief. We take una we go show now the thief where they don't thief. Waiting the thief and how they take cash them. Make we enter to for inside this other image for talk this chapter for thief calling people them. Now these 4 men them now then that them 4 where they cash them. Their own work where they do now say waiting. Service in fact they did them 5. When I see the pump they know. Now the head boy this Chumbu Gi If. Now he be the local auditing them. Fuel tank, fuel to they use and pump fuel, and even generator. Now all the things and that. Now the man organize a gear for a combi to go gear for man way easy fix am. Then people the way they get and they can't find a way the thing don't come out. So last now gendarme people them for that side so for Beseke. Sabi say they call them na territorial brigade. Now then join Kaji 5 boy them on a man picking a go call them now 5 where they catch away they so all them they get their own part where they play inside the thief. One day way na he help, other one he come na for come by, other one na he take and go for mechanic say make mechanic fix them. So all them 5, I say all them 5 they get their problem for inside the Palaba. So their own work where they do now say waiting. One man, the man wey dey with yellow so as I be say they did them plenty. The man for Gi If, na this where they talk with that man, na be the head boy. Na this, na be the look out order pump them. Na he give am for a combi na give am for person wey get for fix am. Then after people then too they come buy like the generator. Now one thing wey they want buy am. Then the pump they want fix and then they sell am. Then last they no meet up there. So now chapter for Douala that Sabi say Douala all day. You must hear na say thief it don't pass, or some man don't chop soya for this side, or some accident don't happen for this side. Douala na Douala better economic capital. We'll be tough on say for that side for Betua. We go show na photo but we will surely come back for image where the waka. Since for morning time for Betua, it then a big mash way it dey happen for day. People then for Betua they vex say they never get light for 1 moon. Yes. People them for Betua since for morning time today they demand they never get light for 1 moon. And Sabi say na for Betua way festival for arts and culture they happen. So they comot them plenty today. They say it don't too much. Say this thing it must to end. And as well they talk say it must to end. One time they enter na for roads. They start make mash say it no fit the pass. Sabi say police people then say they no fit miss for that kind of thing. As we are talk, we go surely turn back for this palaver for Betua. We don't already meet up with our IDEM, our diploma the day for ground already. We go see as we go take show now where better image and say way Ediwaka. And also for photo, we will go say congratulate for Barrister Agbobala Felix Nkongo. Sabi say SSF, he don't win prize for Nelson Mandela Memorial Award. They give this prize now for Sika 17 for Sika the better work they don't do and Sabi say for inside talk will be the talk thank you for people there they give that prize. Barrister Agbobala Felix Nkongo SSF he talk say he take prize where he did so he brother them his sister them they also suffer as well the palava confusion for Northwest West is also this some kind. So Barrister Agbobala Felix he be the first person for this side so for take this Nelson Mandela Memorial Award where they give and so for we go open with chapter now so for palava for vote for get new Nkunkuma for country. Now the new people then that where they just give their name them we get person where they call them they call in a Gaga Haman for ADD party. SSF carry 2 foot he document them outing he go level for Elekam. Sabi say he say one turn up for vote for get new Nkunkuma for we country. But Sabi say apart from say Gaga man, he take his own food, he go do that work. Other people where he go there, now this man for bilingual Yaounde political party, Bia party. I know Sabi who side the man there. Bilingual political, bilingual Yaounde political party, Bia party. I know they understand. In name Nakum Ane Ims. Yes. He says we want Tana for your own vote. Then Topman for UDC Mungwet Amadu. Na SSF e carry Amadu Damjoya e own book them. E go give for Elekam for talk say Elekam peoples. My own parliament to e go Tana for vote for Genyun Nkunkuma. So now we fit talk say at least 7 people them they don't already put their name them for inside this palava for vote. We just also wait for here name them like Prophet Frank where they say they talk say they go turn up, Barrister Ashu where they say they go turn up, and even Cabral Libi. Last story from top Cabral Libi for this time it be the tell we say last police commissioner and commandant for gendarme they don't last sign the book. Now for see as well they go get money where they go take for LFC make they go put that book them for Cabral Libi. So now the condition now for palava people the way they don't put their name for chapter for vote with the ESF say this afternoon now we OC Joshua he go give own book them but he own he no go be now for Yawende. Now for inside Douala here we hear say go there with chairman for a Social Democratic Front Pa Ni John Frundi. So maybe tomorrow when they go keep their book them for 3 o'clock tomorrow we go surely turn back for that palava for OC Joshua. Now Sabi say e dey so if people they go put their name them some party day where he don't talk say no go turn up for votes money them and he say can own side he talk say they no go turn up for votes for get new Nkunkuma for 2018 according to way and he say he can he talk he say waiting now for Sika say Cameroon he no turn up fine. So for them instead for say make the go turn up for vote time when people they prepare for make swim up for make campaign them they go the turn for talk for people them how way the fish don't find. So and he say Kane and money them he own they say they no go turn up for votes forget 2018 Nkunkuma for inside we country. Now just for Sabi say after when Nkunkuma he be make announce for Twitter say he go turn up for vote for new election 90s. Other Tory people there for outside, they don't talk their talk. For Express, when as on Tory people them for that side, so for inside Burkina Faso, Express newspaper, he get his own way where he see this thing, where he talk he talks a Pobia, he no even get sorry heart for a country. It is also turn up for vote for get new Nkunkuma. Now the trunk talk that way Express for Burkina Faso he talk now so talk where they come out after when Nkunkuma be announced. Apart from Express newspaper where talk say no man Nkunkuma get forget sorry heart after we don't she done for chair for at least more than 30 years. Now so to Zimbabwe today he talks everything on a meet up 85-year-old dictator when Nkunkuma after 35 years we don't she done for office the big citizen for country he talks say the one so she done again for 7 years, and they talk say she done for Switzerland, then he come for a country one time, and he come now how many time? He come at least how many time a day? He can she done for some time. Then even cabinet meeting with the minister them, he the whole and only after 3 years. So now the thing that where Zimbabwe today he talk for this palaver from Nkunkuma where he turn up for insight for get new Nkunkuma for we country. As so the talk, other Tory house and two, they don't the talk for this palaver. Apart from Zimbabwe today, we get other Tory people them like BBC Africa and other one the way they don't talk. Inside this palaver from Nkunkuma where he say go turn up for votes, forget new big man for country. Even Express Cote d'Ivoire, when one of the Tory house, he just talk na say waiting. Nkunkuma he announced say go turn up for votes na for take number 7 year. And inside the same chapter, then the trial for Terry say Padiman he use na Twitter for enter for announce a candidate for say he go turn up say for she done again for another 7 year for inside office. So now so other country they see other Tory people they see RFI says they talk and even BBC Africa all man he talk the palaver for his own style way he get for talker. So now so we see and now so we say we dey talk for this side. Sabi say big man for order for Malta, he dey for Cameroon. Sabi say this order for Malta as we talk. Padiman he been a person way even Nkunkuma say na he invite say make he come, and plenty people they be done the confused. Last after we go make investigate, the power he come for country, he then just order for Malta and Papa for Roma. He look out all them. So now under special invite where Nkunkuma give for he then for number 3 day for inside country. Since where he come for country he be then which day for Monday. And Sabi say he get for campus, go for that side so for Mungo division maybe today or tomorrow. And Sabi say tomorrow na way big man he work out for country he go finish. As so I talk for now special invite when Nkunkuma give for he before he come for country, but now the number 2 time that we he enter for country when na so Nkunkuma he give the special invite. We go left that palaver now for take una go for Ivory Coast for talk say Alassane Dramane Ouattara. If we dey prepare for get new president for number 7 day for October moon, Alassane Dramane Ouattara, president for Ivory Coast, he don't talk say no go she done again for on top that chair like a president when this a time he finish. According to Toriwe Alassane Dramane Ouattara in Nakam, he say better make he left place for new people them, young people them where they go come carry Ivory Coast. They put on only for before. So for he when he finish the time where they for office. He go level make the same thing happen to for France, make he take style he enter to for Ivory Coast so that Ivory Coast he go before as we talk maybe young man if he can make Ivory Coast he own sense to a change. So after a time finish Alassane Dramane Ouattara he don't talk say he no go she done again for inside president chapter for Ivory Coast. And Sabi say today we get na number 3 day as well we also join up for prayer for say make peace it be for inside we country. Today big number for inside this prayer con people them na for say waiting na for say make a ceasefire a day for we country. Yes, today na number 3 day 3 for as well Presbyterian Church they start for do prayer for a country here today number 3 day, and today na say waiting make ceasefire a day. Now me say they no one for the year gone them again, and they no one here say people they don't die for the confusion already happen for Northwest and Southwest. So they don't make plenty people then say they fear, they know the fear for come up for outside. So big prayer for Cameroon today number 3 day. Now prayer say make Papa God he touch all man heart, say make they stop for shoots and make all man he put a gun for down. Now so we see country for this halftime this afternoon number 3 day for inside the week. Make we enter for the newspaper wey dey for outside today, the Guardian Post wey dey for outside, waiting there for a strong number. The Guardian Post dey tell we chapter for northwest and southwest. Now woman them now so they don't start dig grave for bury people the way they don't die. After we man picking them all, they don't run enter for Sosongo, for Sekase gun, it is also hala for that side. Inside the same story, they tell him as a South African High Commissioner, he don't talk say waiting. Say make the talk true and make all man a she done for one table for see as they go stop this magu confusion where they happen for northwest and southwest. So now inside the same story, you feel read them as well United States SF, it don't vex after that video where it shows some mommy and the picking where they shoot them, where they talk say na Cameroon ke to them, they do them. United States, it don't talk, say that kind of thing, it no like at all. How many condoms they use them for 2017? According to the Guardian Post, 40 million condoms now where they use them for 2017. This one, it come as a minister for sick people them, Andre Mamafuda SSF, it be try for see as a HIV/AIDS. It don't be, and according to Andre Mamafuda, rate for HIV/AIDS for we country, it don't go down, but 40 million condom them, now where they use them for 2017. All that to read and so, plus other one, the Guardian Post, it get them for a system. So, now so we see country for this half time, we promise you now better other image for how Douala be day for Wednesday, we go show now. People that way they did for Obodo Igbo country, okay, before come out, make we turn back for the with Torim, for that side, so for Iyabong 3, they blame the dirty them, na the dirty so you don't make them, water say we know the fee for waka fine, where it is suffer people then say where they sell for corner as soon as they see them, they sell na for inside water, as we rain, it be the for today see dirty, you see how dirty they know, they don't put na back them, then when water to come, water to go find the own small construct, it pass, it go turn out for your own side. So dirty for that side, they blame and say na it two way they make them water you know the fee for waka for that side. So now one of the big problem is for Douala here, dirty for inside town, it don't make them people they go here bad, people they go here hot, all the time they will rain 84. Tomorrow we promise we go show now other thing them, other image them for water for inside Douala. This day will rain 84. And just for Sabi say, for we people that way they day for outside country, for Obodo Igbo, when I feel look we for 12:30 for night, I go come back again, now rebroadcast for 12:30 for night, we go see which way pass for inside country for this side. Big thank you, Zefren Gondi, and big thank you, Nadine Wafo, big thank you, Ashtese, and even you, Chief Robert Mukube. Now, sote for tomorrow, for some time, wanna hold them tight for outside.